Good day, I'm Jeffrey Bruce Baker, architect and interior designer, and I'm really excited to take you on a tour today of one of our newest projects that's going to be breaking ground in a few weeks. So here, I'm on the 23rd floor of a beautiful modern high-rise here in Atlanta, Georgia, looking out at some of the best buildings in the city. One note of that, this newer building behind me that's got the structure Xing on the outside of the building, that's called an exoskeleton. That is probably my favorite high-rise currently in the city, so I'm so glad that you can take advantage of that view from here. So let me give you a tour of the rest of this terrace before I show you what's happening inside this unit. One of the things that is so unique is this terrace, and I love that all our different rooms open up onto it. You have 360-degree views of the city here. You can see out, you can see the Federal Reserve, another one of my favorite buildings. Got about 16-story marble building, Piedmont Park in the distance. And as we go around past the bar that's gonna get reinvented, you'll be able to see we have great views all the way through Midtown and down to Midtown. So I'll leave you here, take a good look at what's happening, and on our next tour, we'll show you what's going on the inside of this unit.